Now let's go to the Google first, because we need to design our circuit here, right? In the Tinkercad, in this platform we can design our circuit. So let's go to the Tinkercad. Just click on Tinkercad. We'll just type Tinkercad. I don't know what's the problem with my keyboard. So just click. So once you click, this simulator will open and we can able to design our circuit. Okay, so as we have seen in the first video how to connect LEDs with Arduino, everything we have seen. So in the same way we have to connect 3 LEDs here, right? So all the digital pins we have to use here. Okay, fine. So in the same way we are going to do the this one also. Okay, the second video we have seen one LED, a project with one LED. So here we are going to see one project with the 3 LEDs. Okay, so we need to go to the circuit designing. So just click on the circuit, and once you click on the circuit, create new circuit will open. Okay, you need to click here, create new circuit, you need to click on. So once you click on new create new circuit, we will able to see this kind of interface. Here we have to design our circuit. Okay, this simulator is very easy and very familiar. Fine. So here we can see the different components, the things which we required. Okay, we will take LEDs, 3 LEDs we will take. Or you can do one thing, you can select and paste. Same thing we can do, what we the basic thing. So just take LEDs, 3 LEDs also will take. I'm just taking the copy of it. I'm just going to select Control C and then paste to Control V. So here see, you can see it is working with that also. So we'll just paste Control V. So one LED will come. Okay. So now we have to change the all LEDs colors. This is red. This should be green. So let's make it green. See, the option has been given. Okay, this and the next is going to be our orange, not blue, right? Okay, yeah. So 3 LEDs I have taken, and we need 330 ohm resistors. So here we can change the resistor value. Like we need ohm, and I will change the resistor value here. 330 I will write. 330, right? So this resistor with 330 came. So here also same 330, not kilo ohm, we have to change it to ohm. Okay, the kilo ohm is used for resist more amount of current. So if you want to resist less amount of current, we have to use the resistor with the ohm. Okay, 330. Fine. Once this is done, we will take a breadboard also from here. So you can just slide this bar to go and grab this breadboard from here. So after grabbing the breadboard, you just need to click and grab. Okay, so we have grabbed, and now I'm going to connect. So as we know, this 2 terminals of LEDs, one is the cathode and one is the anode. Okay, if you just bring the cursor to the terminals, it will show it's a cathode and it's a anode, right? The bent one is the anode. So we're just going to connect all these things. So resistor will connect with the Arduino. As I have explained that how the working of a breadboard works and how the connection has to be done. Okay, we have seen, and that's why I'm connecting. I will tell one more time. This, just see my cursor. The slots what we can pin, this holes what we are seeing here, these all are connected in the vertical manner. Okay, these are internally shorted. All the holes are connected. Okay, if you connect the LED here and if you connect your resistor here also, it will work. Okay, because this all holes are connected vertically. Okay, and all are sorted internally, and this is also same. Okay, and here all are connected in the horizontal form, like all holes are sorted with the one wire. Okay, so if you connect anything here, if you connect here also, that all will be connected in the ones. Okay, so this will go to the ground. Just ground, we can choose the upper one or down one, anything. This one ground. So I am just using this one. That means this is also connected to this one also, right? Yes. See how the connection I have done. Okay. Fine. Now the other terminal. Okay, I need to take Arduino R3 board. Okay, once you take this board, and we will do the connection. Okay. Okay, once you have taken this one, you just flip it up so that we can do the connection easily. We need to flip this Arduino board. One more time. Okay, and two Arduino's board has came, and we just select one and we will delete. So you can delete easily. Where is delete? Yeah. Okay, so it's gone. Fine. So just drag it here. And now you will connect this this one with pin number 13. Where is 13? See, connect pin number 13. This will connect to the pin number 12. LED light is connected to the pin number 13, and blue light will connect to the 11. Can you see? I guess you can see. Okay. So LED light anode terminals connected with the resistor, because the high current is supplying, so we don't want our LED to get explode. Okay, that's why we connected the resistor. Okay, it will stop the current value. Okay, the current coming towards the LED. Okay, because current the LED can only operate on the voltage of 5 volt, okay, or 3 volt, like that. Okay, fine. So, and the current what is coming from the Arduino is little high, so we need to stop. That's why we are using the resistors. Okay. So LED is connected to the red LED is connected to pin number 13, green LED is connected to the pin number 12, and this is connected to the here pin number 11. So these all are the digital pins. Okay, and LED is also work on two signals itself, right? One is 0 volt and one is 5 volt. So that is digital. Okay, and this ground will connect to the here, because all the now I have connected here. So all these are connected to the ground. Okay, see, fine. Now we will go to the, after this connection has been done, we will go to the Arduino software for writing the code. Okay, so here I have written the code already, and I will show you how to how I have written, and I will explain one by one step, and so that we can able to understand what code we have written. Okay, fine. So let this buffering circle go, and we can able to start our Arduino software. Okay, come, don't worry. So as I told, this is the global declaration section, right? We have to define what are the pins we are using. Okay, so we all are using all digital pins, right? Red LED is connected to the pin number 13, green LED is connected to the pin number 12, and blue LED is connected to the pin number 11. So here in the global declaration section, we have to define which component is connected where. Okay, fine. Then in the pin here in the void setup, here in this section we have to define whether the pin which we have declared here, whether that is input or output. Okay, so the keyword what we use here to define the pin, whether it's input or output, is a pin mode. Pin mode is a keyword to define the components, whether it's an input or output. Okay, so pin mode, red LED is what? Output, green LED is also output, and the blue LED is also output. So that's why pin mode is the is a keyword for defining whether the components is input or output. Okay, so here basically we have to define the pin mode. Okay, so what are the pins we are using here? So those pins are whether input or output, we have to define in the void setup. And now coming to the void loop, here we define a digital write. What is digital write? Because our LED is that works on only two signals, 0 volt and 5 volt. So that is a digital signal, right? So that's why we have to use digital write. Okay, that here digital write is the keyword to represent the output. So LED red is high for how many seconds? For 2 seconds, right? Delay is given. So LED will be, the 5 volt will be supplied to the LED because it's given high right here. So high means 5 volt. So red LED will get 5 volt for how many times? For 2 seconds. Like 200 milliseconds it run here, right? 200 milliseconds means what? 2 seconds. Okay. And again the red LED will be low, it will be off. Let 0 volt will be supplied to the LED and it will be off for how many time? For 2 seconds. Same. So and the same thing for the green LEDs and the blue LEDs also, right? It will be 5 volt will be supplied to the green LED, okay, that is high, and then it will be off for 2 seconds, then it will be on for 2 seconds, then here it will be off for 2 seconds, and blue LED will be on for 2 seconds here again. So here delay time we can change high, low, anyhow whatever we want to do we can do it, okay, to see what are the patterns of output, different patterns of output we can absorb, okay. So this is the programming, okay. After writing the programming we need to save it, okay. I have already saved this program with the name of 0023 LEDs, okay. And after that, once you are done the saving, for saving what you need to do, we need to go to the file, and after filing here we can see save, right? Just click on the save and give the name to the product, fine. And after that we need to compile this, because we need to check whether the program have any error or not. If there is any error, the program will output will not appear in the simulator, getting, not even in the Arduino board. So we need to debug all the errors if there is any error, okay. Just compile once to check whether is there any error or not. Just wait for some time. So the compiling is been done by the system. It's checking for the errors. If there is any error, the output will not come at the simulator, okay. We won't be able to see the output. So it's better to compile first, okay. So after saving we need to compile, and once the compiling is done, and then we can upload the program to the Arduino board, okay. So here we can see in the bottom window the compiling sketch. That means your program is being compiling now. It's checking for the errors. If there is no error, it will say compiling done or done compiling, okay. Just keep your eyes here, done compiling. That means there is no error in the program. So what we will do, we will just copy this program and we will paste in the simulator, okay. Just take this programming, take this coding, Control C, and we will upload it in the code here, simulator, right, the circuit diagram where we have made in the Tinkercad, okay. Just go to the blocks, here we need to click, because code is written in the text form, right. Just select text, continue, and just remove this code, just select it and paste that one, fine. Once we done this one, we need to simulate, start simulation. We have to click on the start simulation to check the output, okay. So just click on the start simulation now, okay. Now the simulation has been done, and now we can see the output. See, LED light, red LED is glowing for 2 seconds, then it is off for 2 seconds. Red LED, green LED is glowing for 2 seconds, then it is off for 2 seconds. Blue LED is glowing for 2 seconds and it is off for 2 seconds. Again, red LED will glow for 2 seconds, it will off for 2 seconds. Green LED will glow for 2 seconds and it will off for 2 seconds. So here we can observe the output and we can see how the simulator works, okay. So this works very fine, okay. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.